Are you ready for Her Holiness, the Matriarch of the Great Wheel, Pontifex Zenestra? Hi there, Chris here with another unboxing for you all. In this video, we are going to take a look at the brand new Pontifex Zenestra Matriarch of the Great Wheel for the Cities of Sigmar within the Warhammer Age of Sigmar tabletop game. Yeah. That's a mouthful. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this model. Big thank you to my patrons for their continued support and all you brand new ones. And a big thank you to all of you here on YouTube. Clicking that membership button. Big thank yous. So, Pontifex Zenestra. We had a reveal of this model a little while ago. I do believe it was the Nova Open. And yeah, this model, fantastic. I really dig this, and after reading about this character in the Battle Tome Cities of Sigmar, very interesting, and I like that we got just a little bit of mystery as to who exactly is in control here as far as the Matriarch of the Great Wheel is concerned. But anyway, it is one Citadel miniature. Comes in a standard kind of unit kind of box, these 1 inch by 6 inch by 10 inch kind of thing. And back of the box we get a full one-to-one view of the model itself. We also get a look at the back of the box. I do not know if this model will have any options. I kind of doubt it will, as this pretty much is a character and I don't really think there's a lot of options in here. So I'm speculating right now. Well, it's saying there are some variants here as far as the heads of the I don't want to say pallbearers. What are they? The minders that carry this matriarch around. What are they called? The two duders that are carrying her around. I mean, she doesn't look very big, so I mean, it can't be too much work. In fact, the chair probably weighs 5 times as much as she does. If we're speculating as far as it being a real thing, I mean, I don't know. This looks pretty darn cool. It's a very interesting, ornate kind of design. I like there's little gargoyles all over the place. There's candles, there's corpses. It has a very religious vibe to it all, and yet still feels pretty distinct and pretty in place amongst the mortal realms and the cities of Sigmar. But anyway, let's bust out the trusty, rusty blade of destiny and let's dive in. Let's cut in here. Let's cut this cellophane. And yes, it is cellophaned up. And yes, I'm a happy guy because I enjoy when these things are plastic wrapped up and it makes me happy. You know what? Let's come in for a close sound. Let's go in for some ASMR, as it were. Here we go. Ready? Oh yeah, that's the stuff right there. Let's do one more. Oh, that one wasn't quite as good. All right, let's just tear it open. Get in there. Okay, so we have the model. Let's open up the box. And I do enjoy these boxes down the little tabs. They give you the little symbol. I'm noticing that all the time now. I don't know about you guys, but anyway, yeah. All right, so inside the box, we are greeted with the instruction booklet. Instruction booklet is, it's got some thickness, but it's not terribly huge. Again, like I said, I don't think this has a lot of options, but we will find out. It has a 90 mil base, oval base. It looks like it is 3 frames. Pretty spaced out, really. Like, this feels more like they could have fit this on like 1.5 kind of frames. But anyway, we start off with the throne, or whatever it's called, the palanquin. Get the flames, the base, the little pallbearers. No, pallbearers are for funerals, isn't it? Oh yeah, we've got some head options. Okay, so there's head options, but that's about it. Yeah, it looks like it's 4 heads on either duder. And as far as Pontifex Zenestra, I doubt there is a lot of options as far as she's concerned. Yeah. Very cool looking model. It looks like it comes together like pretty straightforward. Like you could do it all in sub-assemblies. I like when they do that. Yeah, see like Zenestra, she slides right in. And yeah. So I think this could be really well done as far as sub-assemblies are concerned, getting to the painting and everything like that. So definitely very cool. Here's our 90 mil oval base and our 3 frames, and we will come in for a closer look on those. And yeah, I suppose we'll come in for a sniff test, just for giggles. All right, coming in for a closer look of the I don't know what this is. Palanquin? I'll call it a palanquin until I know another name for it. Lots of rock details. I think that's the platform. Some branches. I think that's the top part of the I don't know, whatever it is, the shrine. Whatever it is, I don't know. Wonderful details. Love all the wood texture. If you like painting wood, man, Cities of Sigmar might be your army. Because there's so much wood details on everything in this army. The shields, right? The barricades. All that stuff. You know what? Let's turn it over. Let's have a look at the other side. Let's have a look at these details. That almost looks like a Dark Angel head. Really, really cool. A little winged hand. What's that about? Don't know. Back of some of these areas, kind of boring. I like this little detail. That's cool. All the crazy little gargoyles. Gargoyles. All right, next frame. Yeah. So here's Pontifex, the dead version of her. Yeah, very, very cool. Yeah. All right, let's have a look at the other side. Yeah. Yeah, these are very, very cool. Love the detail. Initially in the diagram, it made these parts look like they were really far apart on the frame, but like they're packed in here. Initially, I was looking at it and I was like, everything's really spaced out. Like I kind of thought, like, you know, this was the kind of thing that, you know, probably could have fit on one frame, but no, it's all in there pretty good. Just as the way it looks on the drawing. Oh, you know what we got to do is a sniff test. Yeah, surprisingly, she doesn't smell like mothballs. Yeah, that's what I expect a matriarch to smell like. Mothballs. All right, let's get back to the rest of the video. That is our unboxing of Pontifex Zenestra Matriarch of the Great Wheel for the Cities of Sigmar within Warhammer Age of Sigmar tabletop game. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy. Big thank you to my patrons for the continued support and all you brand new ones. Big thank you to all of you here on the YouTubes. Clicking that membership button. Big thank you. All of that helps tremendously and allows me to continue to do what it is that I do. And so a huge thank you to you all. If you are not able to support monetarily, i.e. money, thumbing up the video, liking, following, subscribing, commenting, ringing the bell, all help the channel as well. And all it takes is a couple clicks of a button and you're helping me out a great deal. And a huge thank you to everybody who takes the time to do that. Take care of your brushes, they'll take care of you, and I will see you in the next unboxing. Or useless review. Maybe painting tutorial. Just a tip, quick tip, brush tip. Maybe a live stream, weigh the brush, painting live stream. Maybe just sitting out, talking, watching the reveals together. Maybe a battle report. Underworlds, 40k, Age of Sigmar. Who knows? Who even knows? My gosh, who even knows? All right. Okay, bye.